Hi, it's Jason from Webbers here. Today I'm at my latest instruction, which is Xanadu here, which is a 4/5 bedroom chalet style bungalow, which is situated in the heart of Instow, just opposite the Tarka Trail. So come and take a look. As you can see, this property is completely vacant, which offers anyone who's looking for no chain, large proportions, central staircase leading up to two very large bedrooms on the first floor, both with en suites, and a central landing as well, which has Juliet balcony. Continuing up onto the first floor, there is a large open plan landing which leads out to a really beautiful Juliet balcony with fine views out towards Saunton Sands and Cove Point beyond. If you are interested in this property, do give Webbers a call today on 01237 472 344. Thank you.